Hi everyone. In my last Bitcoin video, I mentioned price has to go below the 21 and 34 weekly EMA, rejecting them, and then finally breaking support for confirmation of a bear market. So where is Bitcoin now? In this video, I'll be sharing what is my view on the market right now. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, I mainly cover investing topics, stocks, crypto, and forex. And I'm just your fellow investor, just sharing knowledge I have about the financial markets. So if you haven't already, please help to serenade the like button and drop a comment for the algo. Let's jump straight to the charts. I believe most of you are always looking at the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, or even the 5 minute and 1 minute time frame. It is very messy looking at the chart at these small time frames. So zoom out. If you zoom out, you would know Bitcoin is trading in a range or in consolidation. So don't be fooled when Bitcoin moves a few $1,000s up or down. Just focus on the daily and weekly time frames as it will give better confirmations and paint a story. Let's start looking at the weekly time frame. We just ended the week with price closing at about 35.6k level. Remember, the blue EMA is the 21 EMA and the red is the 34 EMA. The red boxes are just places of interest that Bitcoin has reacted strongly previously. I've also drawn a Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low to find out exactly where Bitcoin might go if the downtrend continues. And price might go down to the 20 to 21k regions if this happens according to the Fibonacci retracement extensions. So right now, it has rejected the 0.382% level and the two EMAs, which is one of the bearish confirmations. But remember one other thing that must occur first before I view it as a bear market, which is only when price of Bitcoin breaks the support, which is at 30k level. Looking at the monthly time frame, I have drawn a Fibonacci from the major low of about $4,000 to the major high of Bitcoin, which is at about 65k. And right now, Bitcoin has been trading at the 0.5% region, which is one of the golden ratios of the Fibonacci retracement too. And we can see here that it was actually trying to establish support at this level. All right, so back to the weekly chart. I'm currently still bullish on Bitcoin. Only if Bitcoin price in the weekly chart closes below 30k, then I would say that we are going into a bear market. And price will most probably head down to the 20k regions. But currently, I still just see Bitcoin bouncing up and down in this range of 30 to 40k where the whales continue accumulating Bitcoin. So guys, don't just concentrate on the lower time frames, but the larger time frames, like the daily and the weekly. There's no point looking at the chart for hours and hours. Let the market tell you where it is going instead of speculating. That's it from me. If you like this video, please hit the like button if you haven't already and subscribe if you want contents like this. And if you want to earn interest on your crypto, you can use Blockfi and receive up to $250. Link is in the description below. And as always, invest safe and smart. The markets are always here, but your capital may not. Peace.